Reed here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the week. So I've been, moving right along with protocol, and thankfully, as I had mentioned last time, I had gotten rid of the rash that was plaguing me for about a month and a half, maybe even 2 months. And lately, just continuing to get rid of parasites from time to time, staying steady on the entire protocol and preparing to enter phase 3 of the protocol. So, that should, as far as Dr. Shahbaz said, help me to detoxify more at a cellular level. And really looking forward to that because, it's the last phase of the protocol and I want to, finish kicking all this detox out of my system so that I can get into the maintenance phase. My energy is really good. I've been able to wake up around 5:15 every morning and do the protocol for about 3 hours. And then finishing up with starting my workday, working from 9 to 4:30 or 5, and then spending time with my family at night. So I can't tell you how much better my energy is after doing this for the last 6 months plus. And I'm just looking forward to continuing along the path. Thank you to Shahbaz and Dr. Haider and the entire team, Brian, etc. And look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thanks.